Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Etsy orders shows tracking not updating, it can worry both sellers and buyers even when the package is already moving. In most cases, tracking delays come from couriers syncing or shipments scanning issues. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the tracking not updating issue in on Etsy in 2026 cleanly and correctly. Okay, so first thing first, wait for first courier scan. The most common reason, package dropped off but not scanned. Yet, tracking usually updates after first facility scan, pickup confirmation, sorting center arrival, wait 24 to 48 hours after shipment. Etsy tracking activates only after courier scan, okay? You can also verify tracking number accuracy. So incorrect tracking numbers stop updates. So check order, like go to shop manager, open orders and shipments or shipping, select order, confirm tracking number, and no missing digits, correct carrier selected, because wrong carrier equals no tracking sync. Okay, you can also track directly on career website, so sometimes it's updates slower than careers. So copy tracking number, visit career websites, and paste tracking manually. Updates may appear there first, but it's a sync delay is common. Okay, so you can also confirm package was actually shipped. So if tracking shows pre-transit label created, package not scanned yet, so make sure parcel handed to career, pickup completed, and drop off receipt received. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.